Welcome. In front of me I have the Apple TV 4K, and today I'll go over unboxing of this product. So I'll just get my little knife out and pop it straight open. Okay, so here's the cover, device straight away, and it is a little bit heavier than I expected. Then we get the controller. Cable, if I can get it open. There we go. And what else we got here? Looks like some paperwork, maybe. Oh yeah, there goes stickers as well. And the cable to plug it in. I guess there we go. So we have ports right here, HDMI, Ethernet, and charging. And it looks like that's all we get in the box. So there we go. That's basically everything from the box. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.